Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a curry chicken again. My favorite dish. At least I'll make once a month. Any of you also will be craving for Malaysian style curry chicken every month? Do make your comment inside the comment section. Yeah, thank you very much. So now I'm going to teach you how to make it really easy without the need of really going out to buy a ready mix paste outside. It's not difficult at all. So I have here some chicken parts cut into chunks and also marinate with some fish sauce. You can also marinate with some light soya sauce or salt if you want to. So this is, I'm actually using 2 thigh and also few chicken wings, yeah, cut into chunks, about 800 grams here. I tend to make a bit more on whenever I cook a curry chicken because when you keep it for the next day, you can actually fry some bihun and eat together with it. Very nice. And today I'm actually cooking in the morning so that tonight I don't have to cook again. Later, if you cook your curry and leave it for a few hours, it will taste even better. This is some few pieces of potato chunks. And the thing about potato is that after you cut, you must soak it under water so that it doesn't get oxidized. And let's look at the ingredient that you need to make the curry paste. It's not difficult at all because the only thing is the first time you make this, you have to buy the powders. After that, you can use the powder for many times. The easiest part here is about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, ginger, fresh coriander, and also this is shallot, and half minced tomato. So this is what you need to buy. Actually I'm using about close to 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. So these 3 will give you the foundation of what we normally call curry powders. This one is extra. This is the ready mix curry powder, right? This is the ready mix meat curry powder, about 1 tablespoon. So the basic ratio is always 2-1-1, yeah? 2-1-1. This 3 is the most important part. Now, some people always ask Appa, if I don't want to put in the red chili powder, can or not? Because my family doesn't eat spicy. Now, the thing is that these 3, when you use these 3 powders together, the curry is not spicy at all. Not at all. I can assure you, especially when you are using the Malaysian brand, things like Babas, okay? Not spicy at all. If you go and use those from Pakistan, I'm telling you, super spicy. So even though it's red chili powder, but it's not spicy, but it gives you the very beautiful reddish red chili oil color later. So it's good for you to use these 3 together plus a bonus. Some people also ask me, Appa, can I just use the mix, this one? Just use one of it. Well, you can, but the thing is your curry will not get so full-bodied. So all these powders will give it some different flavor. So very nice, yeah? And then, of course, you will need some coconut milk, and we shall use some chicken stock as well. And of course, one thing is missing here. My mother-in-law just got it for me. Ma, 给我一下. I actually run out of curry leaves. So I got my mother-in-law to help me to get some from downstairs. So I have some curry leaves here. Okay? So prepare a wok. We will start by making the curry paste. A lot of oil to start with, because all the curry powder later will actually soak up all your oil here. You want to saute the fresh herbs first. Ginger, garlic, shallot, fresh coriander. Saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. We will come back shortly. Okay, this after about a minute or 2. Put in the curry leaves. Put in the minced tomato. super fragrant. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is actually the base for your curry paste. Alright, next thing, we're going to tune down to medium-low heat because we are about to add in the curry powders. If this is too hot, the curry powders can get burned very easily. So take note, lower it down to medium-low heat or low. Alright. So you want to saute, you can slowly build out the heat again, but not too high heat, yeah? Use medium, low or medium at the most. And if you find it too dry, you can actually add in more oil. So you want to saute your curry leaves for approximately 5 minutes using a medium-low heat to really brings out the very nice aroma. And you can also put a little bit of seasoning right now, such as salt, to give it some base flavor. Alright, keep on stirring this. If not, you can get burnt easily. Yeah? Stirring this for the next about 5 minutes. We'll come back shortly. Okay, this is actually not even 5 minutes. I already start to see the oil started to break. See, you can see the oil breaking out. So this is a sign telling you your curry paste is cooked. Super fragrance right now. Now I can actually put in the marinated chicken as well as my potato. I actually took out few wings just now because my daughter said she wants to eat fried chicken. So I stolen a few wings from here to fried chicken for my daughter. Wow. Ooh, this is nice. Now we can actually add in the chicken stock. Just to make sure everything is submerged under the broth. Now we can actually do some pre-seasoning, some salt, some sugar, you can also use rock sugar, and I'm going to give it some my favorite Vietnamese premium fish sauce. All the ingredients I use I will put inside the video description, okay? So I'm going to bring this to a boil. And we will leave the coconut milk towards the end. By using chicken stock to cook your curry chicken, basically the curry broth itself actually is also drinkable. You will want to drink it, it will taste really good. So once it is boiling, you can close the lid, tune down to medium or medium-low to let it cook for at least about 20 minutes. The chicken will take less than 20 minutes to cook, but the potato will need about 20 minutes at least for the type of potato I'm using, at least 20 minutes. Alright? Okay, this is after approximately 20 minutes simmering under medium-low heat. Wow, look at all the chili oil. So you want to see all this chili oil, then only your curry will look more appetizing, and this is, you get this from using the red chili powder. Okay, so now we just need to put in some, I'm going to off the heat, add in some coconut milk, about 100 ml. Wow. Oh, look at the creaminess that you are getting out from the coconut milk. And we're just going to do some final seasoning. Wow, the coconut milk is so fragrant. I'm just going to give it a little bit more salt. And that's it. Done. Our very flavorful Malaysian curry chicken is done. And you will want to drink the curry broth. Imagine this together with white rice. Alright. Done. Okay, and we shall garnish it with some curry leaves on top. Done. Here's my very simple curry chicken, Malaysian style. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I don't have to cook tonight because I have my curry chicken ready. Bye bye.